Nowadays, the Earth can be photographed from different angles with the help of artificial satellites and spaceships. We learn from these pictures that the shape of the Earth is spherical. In ancient times, it was not possible to get such pictures. Even then, scientists guessed that the shape of the Earth may be round. Initially, man felt that the area around him was circular in shape. Besides, from a greater height, he could view a bigger region. Such experiences led him to think that the Earth on which he lived was flat and circular. He must have guessed this also by seeing the shape of the sun and the moon in the sky. He saw at the time of sunset and sunrise that the sun was circular in shape. On a full moon night, the moon appeared circular. Scientists carried out an experiment in those times. You can do it too. They studied the shadow of the disk. See the figure? The shadow of the disk in two different positions is shown. At A, the entire flat surface of the disk is held before a lighted candle and the shadow cast by it is circular in shape. But at B, the rim of the disk is held before the lighted candle and the shadow is just a line. Next, they observed the shadow of an orange in different positions as shown in C and D. They found out that the shadow of the orange in any position was always circular in shape, no matter how much or how it was turned. Thus, they realized that shadows cast by spherical objects are always circular. During the lunar eclipse, the shadow of the Earth falls on the moon. It appears like a circle or a part of a circle, whatever the place or time of the eclipse. This led the scientists to conclude that perhaps the shape of our Earth is also spherical. As man began to make voyages, he got some more experiences which confirmed his opinion that the Earth is spherical. As his boat or ship left the shores and he went further away from the land, he noticed that the people and the houses nearest to the shore disappeared first, but the distant hills and mountains could be seen till he had travelled some more distance. On the other hand, while sailing towards the shore, he noticed that the distant hills and mountains were seen first, and then the houses and the people. Had the Earth been flat, he would have seen everything at the same time. At the most, distant objects would have looked smaller in size or hazy. See the figure? We can see the picture of a ship coming towards the shore. At position A, the observer will not be able to sight it. He can see only its flag when it reaches position B. At position C, the flag and some part of the sails are seen. Lastly, he can see the full ship when it reaches position D. He got the same experience during different voyages in different parts. This helped him to conclude that the Earth is round from all the sides. However, the Earth is not a perfect sphere. Its shape at the poles is slightly flat and it bulges at the equator. The Earth rotates on its axis, and it is this that has led to the bulge at the equator and the relative flatness at the poles. The Earth's equatorial diameter is 12,756 kilometers and its polar diameter is 12,714 kilometers.